welcome to Rinky's Angelic Kid. Like always, I am doing one motivational video over and above the tarot forecast that I do for you guys. In case you haven't checked out the June tarot forecast, I would be linking that in the below description box. So yes, check it out. Also, today's topic is based on how do I motivate myself, how do I boost myself, how do I cope up through days where I feel absolutely it's not happening. Basically, in my last video, I have mentioned this. I've given this statement saying that I have my set of low days. I go through a lot. There are times where I feel absolute negative about life. So in those low days, how do I really cope up? Basically, without seeking any further attention, let's get into this. Okay. The first thing that I have is a very precious thing. Basically, it's a little message kind of a book thing where you can place it on your desk like this. Also, it gives me a lot of positivity. Basically, this is just random positive messages that you get from angel. You can take it as that way. What I do is, I keep it at my work desk, like where I work. So, I have these simple random messages which gives me a lot of energy. Like, I'll, read out one or two to you guys so that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, the first, message is believe in God. Even if you're having the worst day or the best day of your life, make sure, you believe in Him and everything is gonna work out at the end of the day. So, there's a lot of belief which you should have in the above soul that you believe in. Whoever God, just every day have a faith, yes, He will do miracles for me. There's another message that I'm reading. Love for one another is half of wisdom. Spread love. So just, these days, these messages every day when I read, I make sure that I'm following it. I'm completely, there are times where it says, no complaining at least for today. And that's the day where I really don't complain. I feel, my life is blessed. I have such wonderful people around. Everything that I want, God has already given me. So it's just, you have to shape your life. You have to take your life in a positive manner. That's how it works. So this is one thing that I have. Then second thing, is this little diary, which actually works a lot for me. Whenever I feel like writing something, or whenever I feel like, random thoughts or random quotes that come into my head, I make sure I pen it down in this. I'll read it one to you. अपने गमों की ना नुमाइश कर, अपने किस्मत की ना आजमाइश कर, जो तेरा है तेरे पास खुद आएगा, हर रोज उसे पाने की ख्वाहिश ना कर. These little two lines, it's explained such beautifully. Every day, don't crib about things that you want. What is yours will eventually come to you. So these beautiful lines, which actually touch my heart, I make sure I pen it down. Also, whenever I'm going through these low set of days, I make sure I open my diary and read all these positive lines, which gives me energy from within. It tells me life is beautiful. Stop cribbing and crying. So yes, this works a lot for me. The next thing that I have is basically a book. I am not a person who reads a lot, but I make sure, I have one book in my bag. If there's absolutely nothing left in my life, only then this book comes out. Basically, this is a very wrong thing. People should read often because you get so much knowledge from them. But I am too lazy at reading. So yes, these books really give me a lot of energy, a lot of positivity. The quotes in them really heal. It's a healing tool. You should take it as a healing tool and it will work wonders for you. Also, one thing that I want to show you in this book is the little bookmark. I've made this I've learned from a YouTuber called Dhwani, but make sure you check this out. It's so cute. The next thing that I have is my black book. This is absolutely black and it has nothing. I haven't made it creative as such, but I love this book. I absolutely love this book. There are times where I have so much to talk, but I feel I'm so lonely. I have nobody to talk to. So I make sure I pen down all my thoughts and whatever I feel, good things, bad things, everything about me is there in this book. So yes, this is the most important thing that should be there with me always. If we open this, I have a little my world actually. This is the God that I believe in. These are my parents, so they mean the world to me. And whenever I open it, I make sure I feel so happy and I feel so blessed to have, parents like them in my life. Yes. Also my diary, I've made it a little motivational. I've taken little printouts and cut them up and just stuck them all over. So this gives me a lot of this says, don't forget to smile. Yes, you can't forget to smile. Also I make sure, I have my creative stuff always. Even if I'm planning my YouTube videos, I make sure, I just pen it down, and the book looks really amazing with my picture. I am absolutely self-obsessed. Yes, this is all for you guys. In case you want anything that I should discuss about with you guys, you can comment down below. Also, yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.